Hello friends, my name is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Computer. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a backup file of your MikroTik router board. If you want to make a backup file of your MikroTik router board, if your router got reset somehow, so you can just upload the backup file and router will be configured automatically. So let's start the video and watch the till end so that you can understand. So I'm going to do it in my Winbox. So I have already configured it as WAN connection, our MikroTik router board. So I'm going to open my MikroTik. My Winbox is here. So let me show you that how you can do it. And this is my MikroTik. I'm going to connect it. And now you have to go in files. And here you can see that there is no any backup file here. So what you have to do, you have to just click on backup and type the name here, the backup file name. So I'm going to give the name first_backup. So this is my file name and this is the password. If you want to set the password, so you can set, otherwise you can just click on like this. So I'm going to give the password 123456 and just apply. Okay, so yes, here you can see that the backup file has created successfully. So now what I'm going to do, so I am going to download it on my desktop. So desktop and okay, so this will be downloaded successfully. Yes, it is downloaded. Here you can see this is the backup file, first backup. Okay, so what I am going to do it, I am going to reset my router, and before reset I want to show you that what I have configured. There is 3 internet connection. Okay, I just created the 3 DHCP client on the ports only for showing you. So just I'm going to reset it. Before resetting it, I'm going to delete the backup file from here because I have already downloaded it in my laptop. So now I'm going to reset it and going to click on no default configuration should be available. So it is showing the message, do you want to reset all your configuration and reboot? Yes, we want. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes it will be start again. So then I will show you that how you can upload the backup file in your MikroTik and it will be configured automatically. Whatever you have configured done before taking the backup file. So I'm going to connect it. Let's refresh it. Yes, okay, so going to connect it, and this is the DHCP client, and here you can see only one Ethernet DHCP client is created by default. It is. So now I'm going to upload the backup files and the upload, and this is the backup file. I think I'm going to delete it. Just click on upload and take the file. This is, and it is showing. Now click on restore. It will ask you for the password, so I'm going to give the password 123456 and click on restore. It is showing that it will be rebooted, and after rebooting this you can see the configuration will be come by backup file. So we need to wait here for 1 or 2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes it will be start, and we will check again that configuration coming or not. So we need to wait here, and now it came in Winbox. Just connect it, and now here you can see our previous configuration came again. So this is our backup file now. So with the help of this you can just take the backup file of your MikroTik router board. If in future somehow your router got reset, so you can just upload the backup file it will save your time. After this video you can take the backup file of your MikroTik router board. If you learn something by this video, so please subscribe my channel so that you will get updated always.